Welcome to the Highfield Boats Factory. It all starts with quality aluminum, world-class design, and 30 years of rib building experience. We buy the highest quality, DNV-certified marine-grade aluminum available, and then scientifically cut, press, and weld it into structures that can reliably withstand many years of hard work at sea. Our 5052 and 5083 aluminum sheet, with its H32 and H111 hardness, is the strongest available, and each batch is thoroughly tested. Our strict quality control process allows us the ability to turn back aluminum that is not meeting our high standards. The Highfield Fabrication Building houses our industry-standard, state-of-the-art CNC cutting bed. These computer-controlled cutters are designed to cut every specific pattern exactly the same, time after time. With this high-tech CAD system, our cutters are accurate to within a 0.1 millimeter tolerance at the speed of 3 meters per minute. Aluminum plates then go through a hydraulic press brake to form desired bends by clamping the workpiece between a matching punch and die. Highfield is using the best welding machines and the best welders in the business to complete the assembly of the hull. We use state-of-the-art pulse MIG welding machines to maintain heat and weld penetration control for the best weld possible. Certified for aluminum boat welding, our welding operators have been in the business for years and take pride of being some of the best. There is more you don't see on a Highfield boat. The real strength of the Highfield design is below decks, where our structure crisscrosses the hull to ensure stiffness and strength second to none. Some would say our boats are overbuilt, but at Highfield the onus is on strength first and foremost. At Highfield, we punish our boats in demanding conditions to ensure we know they will last. Highfield boats are not just for fair weather operations. Highfield boats have powder coat, not paint. Powder coat has a smaller environmental footprint than paints and is a proven performer for hulls. As a result of the nearly 30 years of experience in this area from our Australian roots, we know exactly what to do to ensure longevity in our coatings. As with all coating processes, preparation is essential, so we ensure that every step in the process is monitored and tested, and this is borne out in the end result. The hull preparation, acid bathing, special priming, and then coating and baking ensures that our finish is the best in the industry. Only the finest components are fitted to our boats. All parts are complying with CE and NMMA requirements and are produced by industry leaders such as Atwood, Trident, Perco, and Blue Sea. Highfield uses only heavy-wall 6061 aluminum pipe for its A-frames and handrails. CNC mandrel benders are used to ensure the pipes are precisely formed to the desired shape time after time. Highfield's inflatable tubes are made of the best fabrics available: Orca, Hypalon, and German Mailer PVC fabrics. State-of-the-art CNC cutting is used to cut the tube panels with extreme accuracy and repeatability. Unlike most of its competitors, Highfield's PVC tubes are completely assembled by thermo-welding. This technology guarantees that air-holding seams will never break down over time like glued seams. Hypalon fabrics, by their nature, can only be glued, but the special 2-pack neoprene adhesives we use are so stable that they last virtually as long as the fabric. The Hypalon tubes are hand-glued by experienced craftsmen, who have to first grind every seam before starting assembly and then apply multiple layers of adhesive. This operation requires tremendous skills and must be performed in a climate-controlled environment. Highfield's workshops are temperature and humidity controlled and are fully monitored to ensure work is only performed when all parameters are right for gluing. Tube air tightness is controlled according to ISO standards as a minimum. They are overpressure tested over a long period, and the individual chambers are separately tested as well. Once the tubes have been quality checked and approved, they are attached to the hulls. Tradesmen now dress the tubes with rub-strake, D-rings, handles, and other accessories. Highfield only uses high-quality accessories manufactured by industry leaders. This is just another way that we go the extra mile to build a superior product. The construction of each element is the best in the business. We worry about details like that so you don't have to. Unlike most of our competitors, we use multi-layers of fabric and high-tenacity thread for all fabricated parts that will be glued to the tubes. Hypalon fabric accessories are glued, while PVC accessories are assembled using high-frequency welding technology. All components are produced in-house, and the upholstery is no exception to this. Highfield uses thicker foams than many of its competitors to deliver a comfortable ride no matter what conditions you find in the water. Our cushions are produced using dual-density antimicrobial foam, and Highfield vinyl is antimicrobial, mildew, and abrasion resistant. We use the best grade of vinyl in the industry, a fabric called Silvertex, and produced by Spalding. Vinyl is cut exactly to spec using a computer-controlled machine for a perfect pattern every time. Precision hand stitching gives a long-lasting luxury appearance to each cushion. Highfield uses premium Teflon thread that resists oils, UV, sun-tanning lotions, and degradations. Foam teak-look decking is machined in-house using a CNC router. This process allows the marine closed cell and UV-stable PE foam to be cut with very high precision. This anti-slip decking solution gives your boat a luxury look while providing a safe, soft, and comfortable feel to passengers. Computer-controlled laser cutting machines are used to cut with extreme accuracy various materials such as polyethylene foam, Hypalon, and PVC fabrics. We hope that you've enjoyed this tour of the Highfield Boats facility and you feel more informed and confident in the quality and standards incorporated in our boats.